Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team and I am back from the future with some exciting news from Canon. Now when I say I'm back from the future, what I actually mean is I am back from the launch event Canon held at Shoreditch Electric Light Station in London, which was a very futuristic, weird, magical, bizarre thing. I'm not really sure what happened, but I definitely enjoyed it and I absolutely loved being able to get hands-on with the EOS R system. Now I'm going to call it a system rather than just a camera because there is so much more with the EOS R than just the body itself, but I will talk about that later. Now unfortunately I wasn't able to bring back to the present one of the cameras, but what I do have is a memory card. And on it is all of the footage that I captured while I was at this event. So all of this on here, which I'm going to show you in a moment, is shot on the EOS R and it is straight from camera. And I am absolutely gobsmacked, but I'll let you guys take a look at this while I talk a little bit about the camera. Canon have been making digital cameras for over 30 years, and it's that heritage which has made the announcement of the EOS R so anticipated and exciting. Upon entering Canon's futuristic world, there was plenty of opportunity to put the 30.3 megapixel full-frame mirrorless camera through its paces. A dark environment to show off just how good its low-light performance was, with the EOS R boasting a world's first in being able to focus down to -6 EV. Very impressive and very reactive. This, paired with the 5,655 focus positions, which cover 100% of your frame vertically and 88% horizontally, allow you to get the most accurate focus. And with the addition of dual pixel AF, it allows it to be done quickly. Canon talk about how customizable the EOS R is to you and your shooting style. Although I was skeptical at first, a line most manufacturers use, after picking up the EOS R and setting up the custom buttons for my workflow, it really did feel like a camera that was tailored just for me. When you pick up the EOS R, you know straight away that it's a Canon camera. The build quality and grip are very similar to that of their DSLRs, but with a few fundamental differences. The on-off switch is now on a dial on the left-hand side of the camera. There's no traditional mode dial, but instead a smaller dial and top screen. A fully customizable touchpad on the top right back of the camera, and with the new lenses, a control ring which allows you to change the aperture, shutter and ISO. I absolutely adore that feature. Canon have redesigned every detail of the EOS R, and with that redesign comes a new mount, the RF mount. It's slightly larger at 54mm and more importantly allows for a very small flange distance of 20mm between the back of the lens and the sensor. And this will only add to the quality of the optics that you've got. With the new mount, Canon have also announced 4 new lenses. There's a 50mm f1.2, a 35mm f1.8 macro, a 28 to 70mm f2, which is an absolutely beautiful lens, and the lens I've been shooting with for all of this footage that you're seeing, the 24 to 105mm f4. If you currently have a lot of Canon lenses, you'll be pleased to know that they've also announced 3 new adapters. A standard adapter which allows you to use your current EF and EFS lenses on the new RF mount body, an adapter with a control ring so you can get the same functionality out of the new RF lenses but with your older glass, and an adapter with either a drop-in variable ND filter or circular polarizer, which just gives you easier control. Now this is not just a stills camera. The EOS R will shoot 4K Ultra HD video at 30 frames per second with an internal 8-bit recording, in 1080p up to 60 frames per second and 720p up to 120 frames per second. We've also got the addition of C-Log, and 10-bit output recording is also supported when using an external recorder such as an Atomos. After the couple of hours I've spent playing around with this camera, I am so impressed with it. I've fallen in love with everything about the EOS R and the system as well. One of the things I will mention is that the camera itself is USB charging now, just like most others on the market nowadays. Now if you've liked what you've seen or you want to find out any more information about the EOS R system, then please head over to jessops.com now or pop into your local store where one of our experts will be happy to help you. Thanks for watching guys, and I look forward to seeing you again soon on my next video.